Okay, I'm gonna get over there.
CCPD already cleared out the stadium.
Find the bomb and we'll help you disarm it.
What's going on?
I'll tell you on the way. Come on. Nothing. You?
No.
Iris, there's no bomb.
Guys, look at the timestamp on Spencer's post.
11:05 a.m.
Yeah, and now look at the time that CCPD got the first call about the bomb sighting.
5 minutes later.
Hey, can you bring up Officer Jones' brain scan? I'm gonna run the code of Spencer's post with the decompiler.
Got it.
Done.
The brain scan. The code is an exact match.
Barry, it's the headlines.
What?
That's how Spencer's hypnotizing people. They're reading her headlines. Don't look at them.
Too late! Nora's been hypnotized. She's trying to kill me. Nora, you gotta snap out of this.
What I have to do is kill you.
Caitlin, take over.
Where are you going?
To get my family back.
Hurry up and kill him already.
Time to bounce.
Hey, you're gonna be okay, all right? Nice shot.
Mr. Allen, Nora's strike to the satellite changed the trajectory of the debris, and now the debris has hit a new person and injured our new Cicada.
Okay, but how did that give him his power?
DeVoe flooded the satellite with dark matter. Makes sense that the pieces would be saturated.
So, Cicada and the Dagger were created the night of the Enlightenment. Okay, guys, I'm sorry, the Dagger part still doesn't make sense. I mean, things can't become metas, right?
I don't know about that. Our satellite didn't just create new metas. It created metatech.
Which puts metahuman abilities in the hands of anyone.